Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to link Instagram to TikTok. So go for your TikTok app, go for this profile icon. Now go for edit profile. Scroll down and you can see Instagram. In this add Instagram section you have to click on it. Wait for a second. Okay, now we have to go for login. Okay, so now here you have to add your phone number or Instagram's username or email. After that you have to add your password. So okay, I have added and go for login. Okay, so you can see it's done. So guys, this is how you can link Instagram to TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.